These types of nature videos are now very popular on the internet, especially on Instagram. An account has been able to attract 441,000 followers in just a few months and earn thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I will show you how to make similar videos and make similar income. Create sound. You only need 3 things: a set of texts, an artificial intelligence tool to convert text to image, and another tool for turning the image into video. I have made a list of the best requests for producing amazing images, but please remember that, Cabo. If you don't watch this video thoroughly, you will not be able to produce similar images with excellent results. Also, you can't learn how to earn similar content, and you may miss some valuable information that can generate at least $5,000 a month. So please don't miss any part of this video. Now let's take a look at one of these videos. To make a similar video, we need to follow 3 steps. The first step is to create similar images using an extraordinary artificial intelligence tool. The first step is to refer to ChatGPT and use it as a tool for text generating. Here I explain how it works. First, enter the ChatGPT and ask it to make up to 5 different texts for you. These texts should be attractive and creative enough to create beautiful images in the audience's mind. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to produce texts about a rainy day in the woods or sunset by the sea. Once you have imported these bars, wait a moment for the ChatGPT to process and produce text. When the texts are ready, you can use these texts for the next step. This step involves using an artificial intelligence tool that can turn these texts into images. Step 2. Now that you have produced different texts using ChatGPT, it's time to log in to Leonardo AI. The Leonardo AI is one of the best tools available to convert text to the image and can help you create high-quality and attractive images based on your text description. First, go to the Leonardo AI website and enter your account. If you don't have an account, simply sign up and log in. Upon arrival, go to the home page and enter the text generated by ChatGPT. After entering any parameter, you need to make the image settings to make sure the images that are produced are exactly what you need. In the Platform Presets section, select the Anime option. This option helps you create anime and fantasy-style images that are awesome and eye-catching. After selecting the anime, go to the Image Dimensions section. In this section, set the image dimensions to 16 by 9. This aspect ratio is very suitable for videos, because it allows you to use the produced images directly in the videos without having to cut or change dimensions. This step is especially useful for making YouTube and Instagram videos that generally use this ratio. After setting these values, place your text in the text input and click Generate. Now you have to wait a few moments for Leonardo AI to create your image based on textual descriptions. This process may take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the explanation and traffic of the site. When the image is ready, you can download it and save it for use in your video. Repeat this step for all the text pastes you received from ChatGPT. This way, you will have a set of beautiful and unique images that you can use in your videos. Why is it important to use quality images? High-quality images not only add to the beauty and charm of your video, but also attract more audiences. When your images are carefully produced, it is more likely that more audiences will be interested in your video and suggest it to others. This will help you grow not only on social platforms, but also rapidly increase your income. Step 3. Now that you have downloaded all the images you need, it's time to use another powerful tool called Immersity AI. This website allows you to turn your 2-dimensional images creatively into attractive 3D videos. In addition, Immersity AI has many features to add special effects, animations, and different settings to videos that can bring your content quality to a new level. Enter the Immersity AI site first and enter your account. If you still don't have an account, you can easily register and enjoy all its features. Upon arrival, go to the Image Upload section and enter the photos you already downloaded from Leonardo AI. Immersity AI automatically processes these images and converts them to 3D models that you can use to make video. After uploading the images, wait a moment for the conversion process to begin. This step may take a few minutes, but it is worth expecting, as Immersity AI, using its advanced technology, converts 2-dimensional images into 3D scenes that can be displayed as video. This technology allows you to produce more depth and quality content that can improve your audience's visual experience. When 3D videos are ready, you can apply different settings. Immersity AI provides extensive features for adjusting different details, such as camera speed, field depth, viewing angle, and even specific visual effects. You can change these settings according to your needs to create unique and personalized videos that match your style and content. For example, you can use different lighting effects to make your images more realistic and attractive. You can also use zoom techniques and camera movement to create a sense of motion and dynamics in your videos. These capabilities help you differentiate your videos from others and attract more audiences. After applying the desired settings, just press the download option to get your final video. These videos are ready for use on any platform, and you can share them directly on various social networks, such as YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. For example, I uploaded 3 photos to Immersity AI and turned them into stunning 3D videos. These videos were able to get thousands of views and likes in a short time and attract the attention of many users. Not only are these content more appealing, but with the use of advanced technologies, they provide a different and innovative experience for the audience. Benefits of using Immersity AI. This tool allows you to easily produce more creative and sophisticated content without the need for specialized design or animation skills. Using Immersity AI, you can quickly, and with the least effort, you can create videos that can quickly become viral and help you not only increase the number of followers, but also earn a significant income. Step 4. Now it's time to edit the final. First, upload the 3D videos you downloaded from Immersity AI to CapCut. This software allows you to put several video clips in one project and edit them. After uploading the videos, it is time to choose the right music to improve your video space. Go to the YouTube audio library, which includes a wide range of free and non-publishing music. From this library, you can choose the songs that eat your video mood. I downloaded myself 3 different songs that were in line with my video space. Now add these songs to your project in CapCut. After all the settings and edits are made, it's time to summarize the final video and add a final result. You can use the text option in CapCut to add a final message to the video and ask your audience to like the video, subscribe your channel, and watch your other videos. These types of messages can increase users' interaction and help your channel grow faster. Thanks for the end of the video with me. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell to learn about new videos. I always try to introduce you to different ways to make money so that you can make thousands of dollars through content production. Also, I suggest watching my other videos so you can learn more tips and tricks. Up to the next video,